My wife never forces me to stay in Bangalore. उड़ा 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 पूरा उड़ा. I'm not in a bike, I'm in a car. ऐसा है कि भगवान का सुख चाहने में है, मिलने में है, मिलने के बाद नहीं. Do you agree with this? इसी बात पे लाइक का बटन ठोको और सब्सक्राइब कर दो यारो.
रेनबो येते नहीं.
Weather is being very unpredictable. Just it was raining a lot. Suddenly धूप आ गया. His Holiness जगत गुरु श्री बाल गंगाधर महास्वामी जी ಇದು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮಂಡ್ಯ ಬಂದಂಗೆ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮಂಡ್ಯ ಹೋದಂಗೆ. ಆಲ್ ಮಂಡ್ಯ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಇಫ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಇಸ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್. Yeah, why we are going to Bangalore, I didn't tell you, right? My wife is taking a leave vacation हमारे सेवा से. Probably 10 days. Yeah, a week or 10 days. I'm going to drop her now. शायद आज या कल वापस भी आ जाएंगे. या आज या कल. Because my wife never forces me to stay in Bangalore. सुनाई नहीं दे रहा इधर. There was a sudden change in the weather. इतना ज़्यादा cloudy था. Suddenly it was raining a lot. And now पूरा धूप ही धूप है. This ends Mandya here. Hey, he's falling. Recline the seat to the back. जो नया रोड जो बना रहे वो शायद मंड्या के अंदर नहीं आएगा. It takes from outside the Mandya. Complete like a ring road, right? थोड़ा भी हमको मंड्या का ट्रैफिक नहीं मिलेगा तभी हमारा पेस स्पीड थोड़ा बढ़ जाएगा. ऑलमोस्ट वी कैड सेव 20-25 मिनट्स. उड़ा उड़ा और भी उड़ा 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 पूरा उड़ा. आई एम नॉट इन अ बाइक, आई एम इन अ कार. क्या उड़ रहा है यार, बाप रे. या भाई हम आज जाएंगे, उनको ड्रॉप करेंगे, थोड़ा बहुत मस्ती करेंगे बैंगलोर में, थोड़ा बहुत घूमेंगे फिरेंगे, पर कोरोना का रूल्स फॉलो करेंगे. मास्क पहनेंगे, सैनिटाइज करेंगे और बच्चों को नहीं लेके जाएंगे. हाँ, थर्ड वेव तो बच्चों के लिए है करके डरा दिया है सब लोगों ने. आई हैव टू बी डैम केयरफुल, सो आई कुडंट गो एनी बाइक राइड्स or else my white horse is waiting to rule over the roads. हाँ, probably इनको ड्रॉप कर देंगे ना अभी. So 1 week I'll be free. I'll plan a trip of a bike ride. I should show my viewers also, no? Something. हाँ, mainly my son. When he stays in Bangalore, I can do आराम से bike rides and all. Or else he's like, Pa, I will also come. He follows a lot.
He's your follower, first follower.
First subscriber.
You didn't tell about his Instagram.
पहले मेरा तो बढ़ जाए. Yes, भाई लोग, उसका इंस्टाग्राम है and he has a good number of followers of 1700 or 1800 close by. Probably we reach Maddur here. से मद्दूर ज़्यादा किलोमीटर्स नहीं होता है डिस्टेंस, एंड यू कैन कवर अप वेरी इजीली. इट टेक्स ऑलमोस्ट हार्डली अराउंड 15 to 20 minutes by the speed of 60-70. मैसूर बैंगलोर हाईवे पे यही एक दिक्कत होता है, यू कांट कीप अप द स्पीड्स बिकॉज ऑफ दीज स्पीड ब्रेकर्स एंड दीज डिविएशंस. छोटा छोटा रोड है. माय वाइफ एंड स्पॉइल द सीट बेल्ट यार. अंदर से बाहर, बाहर से अंदर घुमा के लेके लॉक कर दिया. व्हाट आई टेक केयर ऑफ माय कार सो मच. वी शुड ऑल केयर अबाउट इट. चलो क्या कर. Safety is first, I agree. So only I'm going, right? See, sudden change of weather. There is no rain over here. Completely dry sand, dry roads, dry weather, dry झाड़ियाँ, green झाड़ियाँ. और उधर पे उतना बारिश मार रहा था जस्ट पीछे 100 meters पीछे. What weather यार. को कुछ नहीं. ಓ ಅಣ್ಣ ಅಣ್ಣ ಪಂಚೆ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಮ್ದು ಚಡ್ಡಿ ಡೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್. ಒನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಒನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಯಾ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಫೈನ್. I remember some incident last year when my daughter was born. It was like you got a pain at 2 o'clock in the midnight. Then I got a call. I couldn't leave, but the whole night it was raining. And by 4:30, 5 o'clock morning, I left Mysore. It was an awesome drive that time. Complete rain. The rain hasn't stopping at all यार. बहुत बढ़िया था. बहुत एंजॉय भी किया हमने वो राइड पे, और बेटी होने की खुशी भी थी, और साथ में थोड़ा कोरोना भी लेके आ गया बैंगलोर से. yeah my dear people, I was affected in the first wave. Not me, my family was affected. Then later everything got fine by the God's grace. At that time I was not vlogging. I didn't have cameras and all, so I couldn't record anything. But the weather, the scenic beauty of the scenery, सब A1 था यार. सब A1 था भाई. एक नंबर का था. See, the weather is completely dry. थोड़ा भी रेन नहीं है इधर. हाईवेज का खासियत है कि आने पे इतना वो खुला लगेगा ना यार. ऑसम. There's an ox. It's a statue of ox. Shivalli. Some photo session going on. Just came to Shivalli here. It's been renovated and made it very good. You get pizzas, tandooris, everything. Very nicely done. Having this roti curry and all, quite good. Finally my car has become a dining table today. Best hai pizza? Nice pizza, good fried pizza. I have not tasted yet. How is it?
Yeah, very good.
That is the way you eat pizza.
It's very hot.
You can't reach me. This is less like a pizza and more like a roti and paneer. What do you say?
Yeah.
We just finished our snacks slightly, now leaving. Okay. Viru, Is your stomach filled up?
Yeah.
He had 4 slices of pizza without giving me, and now he's telling his stomach is aching. Bro, what else will happen if you have like that? Huh? No pizzas. We are 60 kilometers far from our home, and it is a very bad pace of timing. 1 o'clock we left, it's already 3:40. Oh yeah. Okay. खाना जब पहले बोला उसीनो खाओ ना अलमन बोला था. After having, he's telling me always don't come to hotel and order pizza for me. It seems. Bro, you should tell me before having it, not after having it. Okay. Okay.
It will be good. But not
Okay. What?
after. Before having it will always be good.
Yeah. That is called marginal utility in economics. It means satisfaction after having. Anything before having it, you'll feel like we have to have that, we have to have that. After having it, अष्टे. ऐसा है कि भगवान का सुख चाहने में है, मिलने में है, मिलने के बाद नहीं. Do you agree with this? इसी बात पे लाइक का बटन ठोको और सब्सक्राइब कर दो यारो. भगवान भी ना जाने किस किस चीज में खुशियाँ रखता है यार. Now time is 3:42. Our aim is to reach before 5 without taking a single break. Sorry, हमारा तो रिफ्यूल हो गया. अभी गाड़ी का भी थोड़ा रिफ्यूल भराना पड़ेगा शायद. Let's see. I normally avoid going to fuel station in the highways. Why? Because जितना सिटी के नज़दीक रहता है ना, फ्यूल एडल्ट्रेशन थोड़ा अच्छा रहता है. Probably it would be the same. If it is inevitable, we can't do anything. अगर फ्यूल ख़त्म हो रहा है तो इधर मिलता है उधर दलाना पड़ता है. If I have a choice, now I know this road, where all the fuel stations are, where all the restaurants are, so I can take a chance. If I'm going बहुत दूर दूर long drive पे जा रहे हैं तो those fundas doesn't work, right? If it is possible, just avoid it, or else inevitable है तो not a problem at all. Chalo, we are taking a deviation. I don't know really which road is this. Okay, I got to know. That is the new road what they are constructing, and this is the old road which they have connected here like this. I guess they will close this road. We are near Chenpatna now, the land of toys. You see these toys store then and there. Navigation 63 kilometers yet to go. Fifth gear, 80 speed.
ब्रेक काढलं लागून पडते चिकटली. हो ना मुना. असं दे का असं.
See here, I had to stop because of this. He wants to sit with her, it seems.
सीट बेल्ट घाल.
तब से बोल रहा है कि उसको भेजो, मैं बिठाता हूँ. बेबी डॉल. Hey, that's not possible. Wait. नको नको.